Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Chinese garden at Stoneboat, Tea Pavilion and Lotus Pond. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Chinese garden. Hi guys, today I'm here in Chinese garden at Stoneboat. So I'm just going inside now guys. There is a toilet here. In front of the Stoneboat guys, you can see the Lotus Pond. So this is the Lotus Pond guys. Yeah, look at this amazing and beautiful lotus. That's the cloud pagoda at the far end. That's also the Tea Pavilion. So this is the Lotus Pond guys. It's beautiful and amazing. And you can see the lotus flower. Yeah, look at this guys. This is looks like a shape of a boat, but it's made of stone. That's why they called it a stone boat. And also you can see a beautiful and amazing lotus here, and the Stoneboat is facing into the Lotus Pond. It's amazing and beautiful guys. Yeah, this stone boat is surrounded by lotus flower at the lotus pond. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. Hi guys, today I'm here in Tea Pavilion. So I'm just going inside now, guys. This is also one of the newly reopened at Chinese Garden at Jorong Lake Gardens, guys. Yeah, so this is their Tea Pavilion, facing into the Lotus Pond and Stoneboat. Yeah, that's a Stoneboat over there. And in the middle is the Lotus Pond. It's beautiful, guys. Here, look at this lotus plant, guys. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. The Tea Pavilion structure is really beautiful. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.